Good morning, children. Welcome to your Step Up Maths. In the last class, we had revised till numbers till 99. In today's class, we are going to start three-digit numbers, that is 100 and above, up to 999. We are kan class lak tur hi ama a in lo zir to sa revision 99 thleng in ti kha kan zo to avo in atang chuan tlemin kan zir lai te a number a ron lian chho to don awangin video hi ngun taka ena ngai thla ka exercise kan ti tur kha in ngai thlak that lo chuan in thiam don lo awangin ngun dawin tuna i three digits number 100 aron ni dan kasoi fia na hi ngun takin in lo ngai thladon nia. Okay, representation of 100 using base 10 blocks. Now listen to the explanation attentively. He soi fia na hi ngun dawa in lo ngai thak fek kha apoi mo a nakina exercise kan ti apiangin hetiang anga counting blocks manga 3 digits in soifia na kha exercise work atam em chuwang chun tuna voina soifia na karon siam tur hi ngun dewin in lo ngai thladon nia. So we have learned that 10 ones make 110. Now what does 10 ones mean? This small tiny block is 110. So these all together is 10 ones. Hemi te takte block pakhat hi 1 anita hemi 1 som hianin 110 asiamani. All right. Now which is the greatest two-digit number? Two-digit previous class in lo tikha 99 thlengka inzia ka greatest ti chu lian ber two-digit number pani oma eng number nge lian ber 99. Okay, remember that. What is the greatest two-digit number? 99. Now, here we have 9 tens. All right, let's count. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens. Now, 9 tens plus how many ones? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. So 9 tens plus 9 ones makes 99. Okay. Now what if we add 1 to 99? Ani chuan 99 na hian 1 bel taila ingeron chuakang. So the number we get on adding 1 and 99 is 100. Eng number nge lo chuakang 99 a 1 bel taila engza nge 99 zo enge lo chuak 100. All right, and from the block, these one block represent how many tens? 110. Okay, let's count how many tens are here. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 9 tens. All right, plus how many ones? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 ones plus 1. What will you get? You will get 100. So in this big block, how many tens are there? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So how many tens makes 100? 10 tens makes 100. So here we will see 10 tens make 100. So these one block represent 1 tens. So how many tens makes 100? Let's count. 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens make 100. Now do we understand how 100 is made? How many tens make 100? 10 tens makes 100. Now let's go over to the next page. Now next page. 100 is the smallest three-digit number. What does it mean by three-digit? 1 2 3 three-digit number pathum ka three-digit kantini. Three-digit a number te ber chu 100. Okay, 2 digits a number lian bir kha inge kha 99. 3 digits ve thunga number te bir chu 100. So it is written in words as 100. Athu akan zia chuan eti kan zia ang ONE 1 then 100 HUNDRED 100. It is represented by H. This one place value sa kanzia chuan box alo omta masabira ones place value alo oma adotlia tens place value alo oma apathumna 3 digit na hundreds place value H alo omta place value akanda don chuan 1 kanzia kanga tens le 0 sa chuan 1 sa chuan 0 0 kanzia nga hei 100 representation anitani. Okay, now let's learn beyond numbers. Let's learn the number beyond 100. 100 zadanzela number ingtiangin nge local tan tuna kan en leang. We have learned that 100 is made up of 10 tens. Omzia chu tun meya kan suifia khan 10 tens khan engza tens in nge za siam kha 100 siam kha 10 tens make 100. So 200s are made up of 20 tens. So 20 tens makes 200. 30 tens makes 300. 40 tens makes 400. 50 tens makes 500. 60 tens makes 600, and so it goes down till 900 this way. Okay, so akar zela za atla zel akar le kara khan zani zathum zali zanga zaruk zasri zariat zakwa. All right, so these 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. So it tells you how many tens makes up all of these hundreds. Are we clear, children? Now let's come down to representation of hundreds and their number names. Now let's continue with the explanation. It's the same page, page 5, representation of hundreds and their number names. So one big block represents how many? 100. So one block represents 100, and in words we say 100, the number name is 100, and these are the place values. And 200s makes 200 in words, and 3 big blocks makes 300, and the number name is 300. Please turn to page 6. So next page 6, let's continue with our reading. 400s. Okay, 40 tens makes 400, the number names 400. Then 50 tens makes 500. Then 60 tens makes 600. Then 7 and 700, and then so it continues down like that with the big block. So this represents how many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 700. In hundreds, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Okay, and as we continue down, let's count the block again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 800. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 900. Let's continue with our explanation. Turn to page 7. Now in page 7, building numbers with base 10 blocks. Omziatu 100 le 200 in kara number in do dana local dana kha ta hian ashil phia tani. Okay, so add 1 to 100. Hey hian engza he block hian engza 100 engza nge I represent ka 100. John block te takte khan ones I represent ta 100 plus 1 at one a numeral kan zia chuan 101 is 101. Then if we add 2, what will we get? 102, and the number name is 102. And if we add over here 3 ones, what will we get? 103, and the number name will be 103, and so it goes down until the 10 alo 10 khan 9 thleng in add khan 109 ani khan a number name chu enge niang 109 alo nita 9 zo a chuan enge local 10, so this one 10 a local chia tani. So how will we say 100 plus 10 ani chia khan? How will we say 110 tens place 1 idata 10 0 idata a number name chuan 110 alo nitani. Khatiang zel khanin 1 2 3 ka 1's place khan kan a number kha in do dan khana in thak chara 9 zo a chia 10 kan bel chia khan a 10's place a tira ta 0 lo oma kha 0 ni to lawin 0 a dota chun enge number local 1 a number som na chin zela khan 10's place kha lawin thak tani chuanin hemi zo a hian 110 zo a hianin engza nge 10 zo engza number nge local thin 11 alo ni ta chia ta 11 alo ni chia khan hetilai 1's place aya hian enge kan dang 1's place value wa hian 1 kan da chuan 111 alo ni ta 111 alo ni ta heta a number minga chu 111 chutiang zel chuan 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 119 ibel chawzela pakhat ibel chawzela 119 ai zo chia khan 19 zo enge lo thleng kha 20 alo ni ta hetilai tens atira 11 atanga 19 thlenga tens place a 1 ida char ka 20 alo thlen chuan tens place ai enge kan da ang 2 alo omle thong ta 120 chutiang zel chuanin number 100 atanga 200 a in bel chho da na kha hemi he page a hian in shilfia awa in atilang lova atam don lutuka mairo chu 1 to 99 number ithiam kha chuanin 3 digits a po khan pakai ma ila number in dot dan zel khan number alo kalani ti kha a shilfia ni tuna ziak lawa ka shilfia na ka hetila hian page 8 page 8 a hian entir na kha aron siam tani number 161 and 175 in kara number lo in thak ta na kha som bidan zela number ron in thak ta na kha ta hian entir na aron tilang tani 161 anita a thu chuan a place values chu om na kha 161 162 163 164 165 166 167 168 169 alo thleng chia ta a lilahi in enanga lilahi en leula ama zong khan tens place a khan 6 ani thlata char ta a 10 9 zo chia khanin 69 zo chia chon 70 alo ni wang khan hitla a tens place kha 6 zo ta enge local thin kha 7 ani ta chuan 1702 0 ron in thak thleng chia ta ni 170 khan aron ziak ta chuanin aron angai le bo khan he ta tang hian a one's place value chu aron in thak le ta char ta a 10 aron thlena piang 9 zo a isoi number ron in thak che ka tens place ka thak chau tur ti chuan a in chun zom na kha pakhat kan bel zel chuanin number ron in pun chho da na kha han chiar le ila 171 172 173 174 175 akar le akar hetilai number ron in thak tan hetilai place value a number ron in thak tan akha fia deuh khanin aron shil fi ani video hi ngun deuhin in lo enanga in shria thiam tur ani. Alright children, now please turn to page 9, your today's assignment. Today's assignment is page 9 and page 10. Let me explain page 9 first. Before we do any work, let me first give you an instruction. You will draw 2 lines on the top of page 9 like this. Line pani in draw nga line toite te pakhat chu alai taka in mingin zia kanga ading lam kilama hian line ti hian in draw le anga. Then here vo in ni hi ni engza nge 22nd. So you will write in D, 22nd, and the name of the month is July. 22nd July. Here you will write your name. You will do exercise 1.1. Now let's read. Count and write the correct number. So if you look at the picture, this is a caterpillar picture, and in the circle there are numbers. So you have to fill in the blanks according to the number. If you add 1 to 4, what will you get here? 104, 105, 106, and after that 107, 108. So you will fill in the dashes. You will count 454. And after 54, what will come? So you continue to count. This is 671. Continue to count. Now over here, what will come before 862? 2 ma kan inge ones place kan 861. Then you continue. All right, children? Then come down to question number 2. Match the numbers with their names. So what is this? 116. So you have to find out the number name on the right column. 116. Where is 116? Here is 116. So for example, when you find the number name, I want you to take your... No, when you put, okay, let's use it, but I want you to draw the line very neatly. Okay, you will do it exactly like this. Kati ang hiyan uluk takin fight takin line koi mi alawin dito, and put an arrow mark like this. And then what number is this? 739. So find out the number name from the right column. 360, same thing. 282, 499, 821. Find out the number name and do it like this. Put an arrow mark onto the correct number names. Okay, then turn to page 10. Now in page 10, the continuation of exercise 1.1, question number 3. Identify the number represented using base 10 blocks. So over here now we are learning how to write 3 digits in their correct place values. Okay, so like I have explained before, the big block represent 100. So how many big blocks are there? 2. So it means 200. Okay, now this one slender block represent what? 110. So how many tens are here? You will count. All right, how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. 200, 200s, 6 tens, and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. So every time you fill up a numeral or a digit, you will always fill up from the left hand side. Understand, children? So we will count from the ones. Okay, how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 ones. So what will I write here below the ones place value? I will write 9. Now let's come to the tens place. Let's count how many tens are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 tens. So I write 6. Then let's count how many hundreds are there. 1, 2. So what is the numeral? What are the 3-digit numbers? 269. Then here you will continue counting. The big block represent the hundreds. These thin block represent the tens. These singular solitary box represent the ones. Okay, so you will continue to count. Now over here there are no ones. There is no ones. So what will you do when there is no ones? What will you do? You will simply put 0. So how will we do? Since there is no ones, so I'll just write ones. 10 someone represent loads 1. What will we write? When there is nothing to represent, you will simply write 0. And then you will continue with the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you will write 8. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will write 6. All right, children, the same thing over here. Continue to do A, B, C, D. Then finally, here is a mental math revision of what I have explained. Rang taka inga ito at na turaka 100, 200, 300 convert the tens into hundreds. 30 tens makes what? 300. 70 tens makes 700. 50 tens makes 500. 80 tens makes 800. All right. In hundreds, there are 2 zeros. So you will write 3 and you will put 2 zeros. You will write 7, you will put 2 zeros. You will write 5 and you will put 2 zeros. And you will write 8 and you will put 2 zeros. So today's assignment is from page 9 and 10. Before you do your assignment, listen to the explanation carefully, then only you will do exercise 1.1. Question 1, 2, 3. Voinia assignment karon pek hi inti ma in video a shilfia na kasya makangun takin in ngai thanga in shia thiam huna chau exercise 1.1 question 1, 2, 3 asap number zong tenen khan in ron tivekang. And then send the picture of the 2 pages, page 9 and page 10. And you will send me this picture this afternoon from 4 to 8 p.m. Thank you, children.